Bloody Christmas weekend, 17 persons murdered in 4 days. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome on onespotmedia.com. I am Nadine McLeod. Also this evening, one person was the target of a quadruple killing in St. James. And in international news, iconic pop star George Michael is dead. In business news, BOJ governor says dollar movement having less impact on inflation. There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. Did crime affect your shopping and other activities this Christmas? Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.